Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video, I am going to share with you a wonderful method which improves your fluency. But really, I want you to give 100% concentration of this video and to give 100% attention of this video, and please don't skip this video. If you skip the video, then you are going to miss the opportunity to know how to speak in English. You are going to miss the opportunity to know the method which is for you, which is made for you, because this method created by me. This is a very wonderful method, friends, believe me. And I'm sure this method have not shared anyone on internet. Okay, this is a unique method, so please friends, stay with me through the video. This method is going to very helpful. Okay friends, and there are so many problems related in fluency. Only this method will remove your all problems, and this method will give a single solution so all many problems, friends. This method is not only to going to improve your fluency. This method is not only going to learn how to speak in English, but also so many benefits it has. Okay, you can improve your personality, you can improve your presentation way, how to present our data, how to present yourself with someone. So, and you can easily develop your knowledge, you can easily develop your information. Okay, and you will think in English after watching this video, after applying this method which I'm going to share with you. So friends, this single method has so many benefits, so I can give you, but you can promise me to watch the video right till the end, because this video is going to very helpful. So before moving the video, before moving the content, please make sure, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel, then please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me to boost, to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So friends, please subscribe my channel. If you haven't subscribed, it's my humble request to all of you. So friends, before going to the video, this is my method. This is a very mind blowing method, so please stay with me. So please give me few minutes in this video. So friends, let's get into the video. Okay, what you need to do in this video: first you take information, okay, in a form of audio or video. Okay, first you take information, and the information is related with your interest. Okay, such as a movie. Okay, such as any type of weather report, any person biography. So it's whatever, take information, it's really it's your interests. Okay, you can take information in a form of audio or video. Okay, first you take information, and the information should be only 1 or 5 minutes, not more than. Okay, within 1 or 5 minutes. Okay, and just take a audio or video and just start to listen. Okay, listen it carefully. When you listened 1 minute, then just pause the audio or video. Okay, and take a notebook. Okay, and write the question. 1 minute you have heard the information. Okay, then create a question. Okay, belongs to information which you heard in the audio or video. Okay, so make a question, create a question, 2 or 3 or 5 question which is related on WH family, like when, why, who, where. Okay, for example, I will give you who posed the video. Okay, or what about the video. So there are two example I gave you. So create question related the information. Okay, and just when you create a question, when you have finished the writing works, then restart the audio or video. Okay friends, when you restart the audio video, then listen it carefully again. Okay, and after listening, okay, you listen carefully, and after listening, when the speaker finished their talking, he's talking about the weather, success, any type of talking, okay, which you have interest. Okay, then finished, when he finished the talking, you can write, you can take a notebook again and write so many questions related to WS family. Okay friends, the question related to when, how, where, who. So these types of question, make a question, create a question. Okay, when you finished your work, then set your mobile, your camera in front camera. Okay, just you watching me, you are watching me just as. Okay, your posture, your set your camera which you feel more comfortable. Okay friends, and just start to recording yourself. You can speak your first question, read loud. For example, what about the video. So I read the question loud, what about the video, and you are the one who give the answer which is related to information, which is related to what you heard in this video, audio or video. Okay, so you can give your answer. So this is one question, and similarly you can speak out speak out more question which you have already created. Okay, so when you have done this, so it's, and you give and you give the answer. So this process gave 30 or 40 minutes. Okay friends, after that, you, when you finished your work, after that you watch your video. Okay, where you are right, where you are wrong, what is your posture, where you are looking so presentive, where are you looking so dull. So there are so many aspects you have create, you have finished, you have recognized yourself friends. So this method create your personality good. Okay, you can present your data in a attractive way. Okay friends, you can build your confidence level. When you complete this process, your confidence level will be going so high, believe me friends. And when you create this method, when you apply this methods on your fluency, then your fluency is going so high after this. And when you repeat this method in, you will repeat this method 15 or 16 days. If you will repeat this method 15 or 16 days, after 15 or 16 days you will feel more confident, you will feel more fluency, and you will recognize your good or bad. Where are you good, where are you bad, where are you fumble speaking terms, in speaking terms, where are you going good. So you can recognize yourself, what is your quality, what is have to remove your bad habits. So bad habit means जहाँ पे आप को लगता है कि हाँ यहाँ पर मैं ठीक नहीं थी, देयर इज नो, देयर इज एट दैट टाइम माई pronunciation is not going good. Okay, at that place I have done so many types of mistakes, just as person mistakes, just as present okay, is mr was ab. So there are so many mistakes, okay, you have done. So you can easily recognize your mistakes, and you can usually mend your mistakes. So friends, so this is a brilliant tips, and this is a brilliant method. So this is a method will remove your all types of difficulties in learning terms, friends. And friends, believe me, after using this technique, you and if you use this technique in regularly 15 or 16 days, after 15 or 16 days, you will feel more energetic, you will feel more confident in speaking terms, believe me friends. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so, so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.